Mark Holstein, here we go. Another week, another journal back in my office here. As you can see on my screen here, today was Google Sites. Made a website over the last week or two and kept adding and adding and adding and adding. It's kind of really turned out pretty awesome. So I'm going to kind of shrink the screen a little bit here so I can show my navigation bar because my video was hiding that. So if we look here, this is what I created for Business Math. This is the home page, and what I did was I embedded the actual calendar that is aligned with my Google Classroom for this class. So when the students access the website, the first thing they see is Business Math 4th period, and then they know today is Wednesday, we had Chapter 3 review, and they know tomorrow is their test for Chapter 3. And then, just scrolling down, it will have any other calendar notifications, and then it gives the students the ability to look month, week, but I suggest that they keep it on agenda. And then, part of the requirements was adding some pictures. So here we have Chapter 3, have some pictures, simple interest formula. Chapter 4 is loan applications, credit cards, stuff like that. And then as far as navigating goes, I started this with Chapter 2, so there's no notes. But what I was able to do was actually take and make quizzes part of the actual site. So if you look at quiz 2.3-2.4, it's an actual Google Forms quiz that the students can take right here through the website. So that's kind of really cool. Moving forward, Chapter 3, as you can see here, I have it broken down to the IPRT formula. We have notes, worksheets, and so I'm going to show you a little bit how it works. So here's notes. So the students are able to print everything off. As you can see, these are all notes that I've created on the smartboard throughout the lesson. The students can see those. The big one we did today was the chapter test review. So the students were able to get this. I embedded the actual PDF blank form. So I actually handed them out, but each student has the ability to print these out from anywhere they like. We went over them in class, and then when class was over, I went through and I uploaded all the answers. So what the students are able to do is we went over it in class, we did the review as a group, and then when they study tonight for tomorrow's exam, not only will they have the notes from class, but if they missed anything, everything is here posted on the website. So that's kind of cool. The kids really, really, really like it, and they're looking forward to moving into Chapter 4, having this resource along with Google Classroom. So let's go back and look here, some of the other things we were supposed to put in. So I was playing around with some resources. Here I actually created a list of favorites, or a playlist, as you want to call it, on YouTube. So I actually created that and I put it here in this part of the website. So there's actually 5 videos that are simple interest that you can do for this class. And I embedded a website, and the website's live in my website, so the students can actually go in and put interest rates in to double check work and actually see what their interest rate would be. What the interest would be for the IPRT, and it breaks down the calculations, stuff like that. So this is a little bit of my Google Sites, Chapter 4. Just show you one of these real fast before I get out of here. We have the notes for the students, and these are what goes on the smartboard and I fill out as a teacher. And then I also put in the homework and all the answers to the homework so the students are able to double check their work when we are done with the actual lesson. So another week, another video. See you next week.